Okay, so this last video is going to show you, or this next video I guess is going to show you two concepts that are going to build on what we've done so far. So the first thing I want to show you is this line right here. So there's a function called randint that generates a random number between some range. So this right here on this line is going to generate a random number between 1 and 100, and it's going to store you in value. Okay, now the problem is there's actually not a function built into Python for doing this, and so you need to use something called a library. And so the way that that works is on this first line here, someone has basically built a function to do this using existing Python code, and they've saved it in this library called random. And so the library here is called random. So we say, so from the library random, we're going to import the function randint. Okay, and so anytime you have a program where you want to generate a random integer, you have to import it from a library. Okay, and there's a bunch of other useful functions in Python, and it comes up in other languages too, that you can use. In order to use them, you're going to have to import that library, or import the function from a library. Okay. And this is another important thing that we're going to be using when we get into programming robots and stuff like that. Okay, because libraries are ways that people can create blocks of code that are useful in lots of situations and share them with other people. Okay, then the next thing I want to show you is this. So here's a for loop. We've been working with for loops. Okay, what you're going to notice in this for loop, I've set it up to ask if you want to exit the for loop, and if you say yes, it's going to use this command called break. So if you're in a for loop, it's going to go 10 times. So this one will go 10 times, and it counts up to 10. The range 0 to 10 is for x and range 0 to 10. But if we want to end it early for any reason, then we can use this break function to decide to exit. Okay, so we'll run this program so I can show you how that works. So it says, do you want to exit the loop? We'll say no. Okay, and do you want to exit the loop? No, no, no. If I keep doing this, it's going to eventually end the program. Okay, now if it, let me actually move this right here. Put it right there instead. Alright, so we're going to run again. Say no, no, and then I say yes, exit. It's going to exit after that third time. Okay, and so it ended the loop instead of keeping going. As long as I don't type yes, it's not going to end it until it gets to 10. And as soon as I type yes, it's over. Okay, so that break function is the way, or that break command, I guess, is the way that you exit the loop. Okay, also important from this is that you need to sometimes import function from a library. Okay, and this is done to access code not built into standard Python library. I don't know what you call the standard Python language, maybe in the library. Alright, hopefully that was helpful, and hopefully you can use it on the next challenge.